Hello, good morning. It is 7:40 a.m. and I am at Tibumana Waterfall. थोड़ा हाइक है यहाँ से. We are in Ubud, Bali, and I want to show you what waterfalls are here for us. Little bit of hike. हमने गाड़ी पार्क की है ऊपर. उन्होंने थोड़े चार्जेस लिए 25,000 Indonesian रुपया. और गिविंग दैट यू कैन पार्क योर बाइक, आई मीन स्कूटर, और अगर आपकी कार आई है तो कार, एंड देन यू कैन कम हियर. लुक एट दिस. I think so you'll agree that this was a really good waterfall, and since we came in very early, I got to enjoy it for some time for myself, and that was the best part, and I really enjoyed it. It was so good, it was so clean. They broomed the area which was around the waterfall for it to be clean. Loved it. On to the next one now. Next we are at Kanto Lampo Waterfall. I have to pay the fees, and that's something that I want to tell you. So these kind of initiatives, like, they have kept very close. Look that, keeping plastic away from nature. That initiative is very important if you want to attract tourists. I think this is where Goa lost. Look how clean everything is. It doesn't seem like I'm going to a waterfall. It seems like I'm in a resort somewhere near Pauna Lake, but this is how it is. We just got a ticket up there. You have to walk downstairs. They have made very nice steps, good arrangement. There are so many people waiting for their photographs in the line. I will show you. These many of us are waiting for a picture, and that is where you take the photo. Hello, we are now at our next waterfall, that is Goa Gajah waterfall. मुझे यहाँ पर आपको कुछ दिखाना है. ये देखो, वो पेड़ देखो कितना बड़ा है. What?